there's always something in her way, and always something that'll keep her down. She can't do all the things she wanna do, 'cause there's always someone there like you, and holding her down and pushing her back. Yeah, you have got to let it go. Yeah, you gotta let it go. Yeah, come on. You gotta let her go, go, go. Gotta let it grow.
Mel Poulard, The Extraordinary Cookie.